Now we'll be talking about the date and time under data configuration in mode 5. You need to hit mode button, go to mode 5, press OK, VBS, OK, go under configuration, then go under data configuration, then go under date and time. Then you can select set date and time, and that's only a temporary change. And date 1 is the date of today, and date 2 is your expiration date or your production date. Press enter key, go back, go under print date and time. Here's where you got your different date options. Date 1 options, it'll print with the date 1. So that's what we have selected. Let's press OK. Date 2 options, this is also set to where it's going to print with date 2. Okay. Data formatting. This is where you can change the style of format for your dates. So your month notation, it's under numeric instead of alphanumeric or Roman. We got it set as month, day, year. Set it to a bunch of different variations there. Okay. This separator is set as a dot, so it's 12.17.14. Or you can do slash, or you can do dashes. And press OK. Editor being exited, say yes for the changes. Next one is print of year, and that we have as 2-digit instead of 4-digit. Like the year 2014, it would be 14, not, and then if it's 4-digit, it's 2014. And time format, we have it in hours and minutes, not just hours. Go to select time. Print of time 1 is without, and print of time 2 is without. Okay. Go back one more. Now I can go under date configuration, and the first button here, the offset, if you're working till 4 o'clock in the next morning, you can set this to 4 plus 4, and then you'll have 4 more hours on the current day. So whatever you work till 4 o'clock in the morning would be on the previous day. And then the ACD reference on switch, that needs to be it needs to be on, so then when every time the machine boots up, it references the time date. And the progress date, that needs to be set to with, and the progressing time, and that is so it'll keep going with the time and the date, even though if it's shut off, the machine's shut off.